numerous eNode B across the country. Is it possible to reduce maintenance costs and manage it more efficiently and economically? It is possible if you're with Silicon Cube. Numerous eNode Bs are using the air conditioner for cooling all year round. This consumes a lot of electricity, which causes a lot of costs. What if it works only when needed through AI technology? Will the results be different? On air conditioner, the temperature in the room is kept lower than necessary. But if AI engine intervenes, it smartly controls the air conditioner to a set temperature standard. As a result, it can be reduced total electricity use by 50% or more. In terms of cost, it can be saved about $200 per month. If there are 10,000 sites there, it could be saved $24 million. These events at each site can be centrally monitored in real time by Silicon Cube's AI solution. And if some issue is detected, the system finds out exactly what the issue is and where it occurs, and informs the administrator rapidly. As a result, maintenance can be more efficient, which means lower overall costs. What is so important about this central control and monitoring system is the security of the system itself. It is the same security system that has been proven by global top companies like Google or Amazon, so you don't have to worry about system security. Saving costs through energy saving, and providing stable operation environment through real-time monitoring. It is possible if you're with Silicon Cube.